My friends, are you one of those ornery civil engineers that likes to be a little extra precise with everything? Such as myself here. Well, if you want to get a precisely drawn drainage area or parcel line imported to the web soil survey, I'm here to show you the easy way to import directly to their website using the area of interest feature. Welcome to the training desk of New Way Designs. I'm Will, and you know the deal. I'm here to give you that express ticket to practical Civil 3D knowledge. So let's get started. So if you haven't created a soils map before, it's easy to do. All you got to do is type in web soil survey. Those three keywords will bring up this website first. Of course, I guess that may not be the case depending on which browser you're using. Here's the landing page. If it looks like this and you're in the USDA website NRCS, you're good to go. Next thing you want to do is, let's zoom in here. You click this button right here. Now, when you land on the map page here, ooh, we got an update. When you land here on the map page, if that comes up, you can close it out. But notice your surroundings here. We talked about importing a precise area of interest. So that's over here on this side of the screen. You can click the little drop down there and then hit the drop down again from the shapefile, because that's going to be the easiest route to go here. You see we've got about 4 different file types we need. The bare minimum necessary is a shapefile, an SHX file, and a PRG file, and a DBF, optional, but we're going to go ahead and create that too. Zoom back out. Here we are. First thing you need to do is be located geographically, and to do that you'll need to bring up your tool space and settings. You can right click on this drawings over here in the upper right. There you go. Nice zoom in. And you'll hit the edit drawing settings, and that brings up this window. So once you're in here, you want to set the coordinate system. We're going to do North Carolina since I have that system memorized off the top of my head, which is NC83F. We'll hit OK, and you'll notice up here we now have the geolocation. So that means we are located in the world. And what I'm going to do is turn that map on. We want to hit yes, otherwise we can't see the map there. So let's zoom out a little, get our bearings. I work in Charlotte a lot, so we're going to do an example over there. A perfect landing zone, the Charlotte Country Club. So let's say we had to draw a drainage area for this pond, and I'm going to estimate what that would be without topo. There's the creek flowing in. Here's the wide end of the pond. So let's start that drainage area down here. Boom, 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 boom. That's just a polyline, and with this polyline we can export it and get all that we need to go into the web soil survey. So the command we're going to use is called MAPEXPORT. Here we go. Let's put this in my lessons folders down here. We're going to call it Charlotte Country Club. And we did draw a polyline, but it's not a polygon or texture point. It's a line that we want to export. We're just going to let it select all because that's the only thing in this drawing. If you were pulling from a drawing with a lot of objects, you might want to do the manual selection here. But at this point, I don't think there's anything else we need to do. You can check this and make sure you have a coordinate conversion. Data, we don't need anything there. We just hit OK. Then it's exported. It's flopped back to the web soil survey. I've already got the AOI expanded. So the next thing to do is choose the files to go in here. Let's navigate to that folder where I put them. We're already there. So the first piece was the SHP. So where's my shape? There we go. Shape. Then the SHX. That's the compiled shape. And then the PRG. To put icing on the cake, do the DBF. Since it's there, why not? You hit set AOI, and look right there. That bad boy is drawn perfectly where you drew it in the CAD world. As the next step, you get the soil map, and this says checkout over here, or add to shopping cart. Doesn't actually cost you any money though, so we just add a title. Charlotte Country Club. Hit OK there. Then we can go visit our shopping cart over here, our free shopping cart. Let's just check this subtitle. Charlotte Country Club. We're gonna print them to 8.5 by 11. That way it fits in nicely with our calculation package. And then you slide back over to the upper right over here and hit the checkout. And why not get it now? Hit OK. And then it does some downloading. And ooh, the connection was reset. Refresh. And solved. So we got the full summary here now. Look at that. Some of this beginning stuff not so important, but you get to a soils map here. And you got everything you need. And there you have it. That is the easy way to get an AOI imported to your web soil survey as you have precisely drawn it in CAD. Now, for many years I was following a very convoluted method to get to this same end goal, but my intern Brett showed me the better way to do it not all that long ago, so I'm so thankful, because what I used to do was create a parcel, export that parcel to another drawing, and then map export that line work to get these little pieces you need. So I just skipped all that beginning work here and got to the same end result. And that's what we like to do here at New Way Designs, share those tricks to save ourselves and you time. So see you next time.